Next, (27 feet by 17 feet). First trim this. This. Offset 27 feet. Offset 17 feet. Specify thickness 8 inch. Okay. Just extend this two line. Trim the extra line. So our plan is ready now. Now the next step is door opening. You have to open the door. To make a door opening, take one line, go to the door layer, take one line, or make a simple wall layer, take one line up to here, move this, move 6 inch, and offset type O 3 feet. Trim. This bedroom, make another door opening here. Move this line 6 inch. Enter, then offset 3 feet. Trim the extra line. Okay. Then this toilet opening is to make another line. Move this line 6 inch. Then offset 2 feet 6 inch. Okay. Trim the extra line. The kitchen opening is make the kitchen opening. Draw a line. Move this 6 inch. Offset 2 feet change 6 inch. Okay. In the extra line. Okay. Now draw the main door. Take another line here. Offset 4 feet. Okay. Offset 4 feet this side. Turn the extra line. Okay. Now opening is ready. We have to put the text now. Just go to this text layer. Do the text dimension style setting. Create new text. Standard. Okay. Text size is 8-inch simple and arrow. Theoretic arrow size is 7-inch. Okay. Set the primary unit is the architectural. The precision is 1/4. Okay. Click OK. Set current. Close. Then type ST. Create new text. Okay. Put the height 8-inch. Just height 8-inch. Width factor is 0.7 and set the font. Text font is Arial. Apply. Set current. Close. Okay. Type T. Put the text here. Master bedroom. Master bedroom. 20 feet by 18 feet. The next is toilet 12 feet by 6 feet. Just copy this. Type CO. Type CO or CP. Just copy this text. Put it here. Double click to edit. Toilet. Size of the toilet is 12 feet by 6 feet. 12 feet by 6 feet. Toilet. Okay. Another bedroom is 20 feet by 12 feet. Just copy this text, put it here. 20 feet by 12 feet. Just double click to edit. Bedroom 20 feet by 12 feet. Okay. Copy this text and put it here. Kitchen size is 18 feet by 9 feet. Double click to edit. Kitchen 18 feet by 9 feet. Okay. Copy again this text, put it here. And this is dining hall 27 feet by 17 feet. Dining hall 27 feet by 17 feet. Okay. Click on save. Plan. Save on the desktop. Door windows we will draw in the next tutorials. Thank you.